I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling precise documents and credentials so you can locate your tax return quickly. Start with your Form 1040, W-2s, and any 1099s. Once done, make sure your Social Security number and bank routing/account numbers are at hand. Next, sign into the IRS online account or your tax software. If you don't have access yet, request a reset and use two-factor authentication. This upfront organization saves time and prevents errors when you retrieve or recreate the return. You now focus on pulling the actual document. Log into the IRS account and request a tax return transcript or download the full return PDF from your tax software. Once available, export and save it to an encrypted folder. If online access fails, use the IRS Get Transcript tool or phone support to request a mailed transcript and be ready to verify identity. Also, make sure to check archived email confirmations from your preparer, because those often include return copies or secure links to download them. Finish by validating the retrieved return against your pay stubs and 1099 so you catch any discrepancies early. Once confirmed, save a certified copy in encrypted cloud storage and print a paper copy for your files. Share only through secure channels when needed. If numbers don't match or you find an error, compare the underlying W-2 or 1099, then prepare an amendment using Form 1040X. Troubleshooting tip: if access problems persist, request IRS identity verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.